Spider hunt. Jumping spiders are generally active in daylight for hunting. Spiders' three major superpowers are help them to hunt amazingly. Their well-developed internal hydraulic system help them to leap up to 50 times of its own body length. And their four pair of eyes with a three-dimensional vision for purpose of estimating the range, direction and nature of potential prey. It permitting the spider to direct its attack. Because of its third superpower, it can map its world properly. It might spend some time to inspecting the object of its attention and determining whether a camouflaged or doubtful item of prey is promising. With its superpower and planning, it starts to walk slowly forward. Then close enough, the spider pauses to attack dragline and springs onto the prey. Then it will bite and inject its rapid-acting venom. That venom gives the death to victim before even getting time to react. The successful hunters are devil to many insects.